Now, this illustration deals with portable generators in accordance with NEC 250.34A. Now, we've been reviewing transformers and generators mainly that were grounded. But notice this portable generator is used to provide power for maintenance purposes where there's no power available, out on construction sites where power is not available. And notice the requirement. We have to have the U-grounds of all receptacles on the generator bonded to the frame of the generator and no earth-grounded connection. And this is using your portable generators in accordance with 250.34A. And then we suggest for a portable, optional standby type generator, the note suggests that you review 702.5 exception, 702.11A and B, as well as 702.12A through C. Now, this is dealing with portable generators that could be used as a portable means where electrical power is not available and you're letting this portable generator provide it. So we suggest for the size of the generators and so forth that you see those sections referenced in the note. Now, notice we call this out at the very top of the receptacle at the left. Frame of generator should be used to bond the yoke of the receptacle. And then we state there that the generator frame shall be permitted to be used as the ground in accordance with 250.34, and the portable generator in the grounding loop could be used for construction or maintenance in accordance with 590.6A exception. And that's what this figure 16-62A is illustrating. Portable generators used to provide the power in accordance with 250.34A when the U-grounds of the receptacles are bonded to the frame of the generator.